In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to arch text in Inkscape using a simple technique that many beginners overlook. If you've ever wanted to bend your text into a curved or arched shape for logos, badges, thumbnails, or graphic design projects, this method will help you do it quickly and cleanly inside Inkscape. The best part is that you don't need any plugins or complicated tools. We're going to create a piece of text, convert it into a path, and then use a path effect called envelope deformation to shape it into an arch. This is a very powerful technique once you understand how it works. If you find tutorials like this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Inkscape tutorials and software guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Inkscape and create a new document. Once your blank canvas is open, go over to the Text tool on the left side toolbar. You can also press the T key on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Now click anywhere on the canvas and type any text you want. For this example, you can type something simple like Arch Text Example, but you can use any words you like. After typing your text, you can adjust the font, size, and spacing from the top toolbar if you want it to look a bit nicer before applying the effect. Larger and thicker fonts usually work better for this kind of transformation because the deformation becomes more visible and cleaner. Once you're happy with the text, the next important step is converting the text into a path. This allows Inkscape to treat the text as vector shapes instead of editable characters. To do this, select the text, then go to the top menu and click Path and choose Object to Path. You can also use the shortcut Shift-Control-C. Now your text is no longer standard text, but a vector path that can be manipulated with path effects. Next, make sure your object is still selected. Then go to the top menu and click Path again, and this time select Path Effects. This will open the Path Effects panel. Inside this panel, click the plus icon to add a new path effect. A list of effects will appear. From this list, find and select Envelope Deformation. Once you apply the Envelope Deformation effect, you will see several options appear that allow you to control the shape of the object. The Envelope Deformation works by letting you adjust the boundaries around the object. These boundaries can be edited to bend or distort the text. To create an arch effect, enable the Top Bend Path option in the Effect Controls. Then switch to the Node tool by pressing the N key or selecting it from the left toolbar. You will now see nodes along the top boundary of the text shape. Click and drag the center node upward. As you move this node, you'll notice the text beginning to curve into an arch shape. You can adjust the height of the arch by moving the node higher or lower until you get the exact curve you want. If you want even more control, you can adjust the side nodes to smooth out the curve and make the arch look more natural. This gives you a lot of flexibility depending on the style you're trying to achieve. You can create a subtle curve for a professional logo or a dramatic arch for decorative designs. Once you're happy with the shape, you can still change colors, add strokes, or apply additional effects, just like any other vector object in Inkscape. And that's how you arch text in Inkscape using path effects and envelope deformation. It's a simple method, but it gives you a lot of control over the final look of your text. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tutorials, graphic design tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.